はい、皆さんこんにちは、たいきです。実はですね、僕のお友達のまよちゃんで簡単なちらし寿司を教えるっていうね、動画を撮りたいと思います。Today's guest is Mayo.
Hello guys, my name is Mayo and I'm from the Netherlands. And today I'm going to learn how to make delicious sushi, so I'm looking forward to it.
それではね、簡単に寿司の作り方をいきましょう。じゃあ、
So wash rice with water?
Yes, so. Yes, so.
Yeah.
Yes, so. Rice is
Okay.
1 cup, 2 cup. Wash. Okay, finish. 30 minutes. Deep in water, 30 minutes. Okay. So, ツナ Japanese name so マグロ and over and cucumber, avocado. So, like a ginger. Like a ginger, みょうがで and egg.
Tastes like it. Okay. So I will throw it in and then go around. Yes.
Around
Yeah.
waiting.
Wait for sushi.
Yes, waiting.
Those people we always use pancake.
Like a pancake.
Yeah, so we make pancake. But we use a spatula.
こちら
So you use chopstick to flip. I
Ah.
have spatula.
Flip. フィットね。Okay, next みょうがをdip in water. Okay. Maybe 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute boil.
Yeah, can I use it?
Okay, next cucumber cut. Technique cut is this point is important.
Okay, so don't move that part.
Stop. Yes.
Okay, so like this. Oh. Yeah, difficult. Change side.
Change side.
Ooh.
Okay.
Though, how is it?
Okay, really, nice feeling. So, my. Good sound.
Ooh. Bring. Wow.
Wow.
Ooh,
Okay, nice sound.
I did it.
Yes.
Like an accordion, right?
Yes,
Yay.
according right.
Oh, yeah, but
Finish point.
yeah. Cut later.
So,
Okay. Next
two
time.
針。
Yeah.
2針。Okay.
It's about the end is there. It looks easy, but it's
Ne, look easy, but ね。
fine. Okay, too quick. Oh. Ah.
Okay. Put in vinegar, rice, 寿司vinegar. So around.
Okay.
Okay. Then cross. Sushi on the bowl. Next こう海苔をこうやってブロック
ぴょんぴょん。
イエスはね cucumber or avocado. Yes.
Final part here. Because I like avocado. Okay. And then egg.
Delicious yellow.
Yeah.
More artist.
Yeah.
Artistic.
Yeah.
Artistic.
Finally. Looks like a flower.
Flower.
Yeah.
Flower. Oh,
Yeah.
nice, nice, nice.
A fish flower.
Fish flower. Okay. じゃあ食べましょう。Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Okay,
Yay.
let's eat.
Enjoy.
Enjoy eat.
Yeah.
This is wasabi joyu. Do you like wasabi?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. ではenjoy eating.
Thank you very much.
いただきます。
いただきます。
It's there. Sushi your country.
Yes. We have one all-you-can-eat sushi. It's called shabu shabu.
しゃぶしゃぶ。
Yeah. It's
おー。
all-you-can-eat sushi.
じゃあもう all of Japanese food. Sushi and しゃぶしゃぶ。
でもそのしゃぶしゃぶで寿司だけ食べられる。でもみんな意味わからない。そうしゃぶしゃぶ OK 寿司屋。
そういうことね。
Yeah.
Owner is Japanese?
Chinese.
Chinese?
Yeah.
これメニューね。
Yeah.
メニューね。
So when my friends say, let's go しゃぶしゃぶ and 寿司を食べに行こう。ちょっと変ね。
Your country by price.
So this dish はない in my country. This dish ない。
ない。But if you buy dish
Yeah.
maybe
Maybe like 1500 円
1500円
Yeah. In Japan, what's the price?
まあJapan's sushi store other fish
Yeah.
ツナ and octopus and salmon and
That would maybe be 3000円ぐらい。
Yeah. I think so.
I think only one type of fish. And Dutch people really like salmon.
だね、near the Norway だもん。
Salmon with edamame bean. Yeah, avocado.
そうだね。
Yeah.
Okay, today's my welcome to TAIKI'S channel. Name is Mayo.
Yeah, it was very nice class. I learned a lot. And it was very delicious. So when I go back to the Netherlands, I will definitely make it and eat it.
Make it.
Yeah. At home. Yeah.
Back to Netherlands. Okay. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Thank you too.
嬉しい。
Yeah. Thank you very much.
はい、それではね、今回このように僕もね頑張って英語でなんとか作れました。動画の方もなんとか日本人の方にも外国の方にも伝わればなっていう感じで編集しますので頑張ります。それではまた次回の動画で大輝でした。バイバイ。
Doei doei.
Neder.
Yes.
Language.
Doei is bye, but we always say doei doei, bye bye. Doei doei.
Doei doei.